In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a slow WordPress site through a WordPress speed optimization tutorial. If you've ever experienced the frustration of a sluggish website, you'll know how it can negatively impact user experience and even your site's ranking on search engines. Fortunately, there are some relatively simple steps you can take to enhance your site's speed to ensure it's running smoothly and efficiently. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is head over to wordpress.com. This is where you'll find everything you need to build and manage your website. If you're not already logged in, simply click on the Login button. You'll need your credentials handy, so be sure to have those at the ready. Once you're logged into your account, navigate to your WordPress dashboard. This is your central hub for all things related to your website. Now that you're in the dashboard, the next step is to click on Plugins. This area allows you to add functionality to your WordPress site. Plugins are incredibly useful and can provide a host of features and customizations to optimize your site's performance and appearance. Next, click on Add Plugin. This will open up a search bar where you'll enter the term cache. Caching plugins are essential for enhancing website speed as they store copies of your web pages to reduce the amount of data retrieval needed when users visit your site. Once you search for cache, you'll see several options, but for today's tutorial, we're going to focus on installing the Lightspeed Cache plugin. This particular cache plugin is highly regarded for its performance optimization features. Click on Lightspeed Cache to select it. Following the selection, you'll see the options to install and activate the plugin. Go ahead and click on Install first. This may take a moment as the plugin is being added to your site, but once the Install button is replaced by Activate, go ahead and activate the plugin. With Lightspeed Cache activated, your site is now equipped to utilize caching functionalities that can significantly improve the loading times of your web pages. This plugin is designed to optimize a variety of aspects of your WordPress setup, not only improving speed, but also overall site performance. By following these steps, you should see a noticeable improvement in your site's speed, making for a faster and more enjoyable experience for your visitors. Remember, a swift website not only keeps your users engaged, but can also positively impact your search engine optimization efforts. Thanks for watching, and here's to a speedier WordPress experience.